Hey, what's up, everybody? We got next break here as we're moving on into the triple digits. Could have never seen that coming. It's crazy. Break 102 is going to be 2025 Topps Pro debut. One of my favorite products to collect and to rip. Not one of my favorite products to break. It's really hard to sort this stuff. I don't know all of the minor league teams. And that's going to make it a little challenging for you guys tonight, but maybe on your end, as I hit something, I'll mention the team, and maybe you can look it up and see if it's a team that you hit yourself. But I'm not going to check on the teams and the affiliations and all that stuff during the break. Save that for after when I sort. But four autos in this box. Typically, in the past Pro Debut, you would see the four autos, if not more, and lots of color as well. I can't remember if it was 2024 or 2023 Pro Debut when I ripped that. It had six autos in it, and one of them was an Ellie. So that was an awesome break. Would love to see that here. To be honest, I'm not totally sure who the big hits are in here. I know you have, your typical, like, your cover guy, Travis Bazzana here, Connor Griffin, guys like that. But I haven't done as much research as I would like to do, and as I would typically do, because I have been totally overwhelmed at work. But here we go. Let's rip it. Let's see what we get. If somebody wants to call it out, if you see some big hit, some big name that I'm not familiar with, I appreciate that. But regardless, I'll find out after. So we have 6 packs in here, 24 cards per pack. There's 3. There's 6. Love Pro Debut. And here we go. Good luck to everybody. If you're anything like me, you probably won't find out until after the break who your big hits are. But here we go. Bryce Eldridge, I know he's a big name that's seen some major league action. Gonna see some chrome there, maybe some color here as well. Brody Hopkins, it's a Pro Debut card there. Braden Taylor, Eli Serrano, Nick Morabito, Luke Keshaw, Cole Emerson, Fenwick Trimble, great name. Blake Burke, Jacob Cozart, Luke Adams, Jack Penny. These look really nice. Bryce Rayner, it's a good young Tigers player who unfortunately got hurt. Chase Davis, got a backwards card coming up here and some other stuff, so I'm going to kind of go to the back here and save the hits. So we have Chris Cortez, then the Chromes, Jared Sundstrom, Matt Shaw, Ty Southazine, don't know that name. Cole Fontenelle, know that name. Blake Mitchell, and Josh Karan. There's that Chase Davis. Backwards card, Jose Fernandez. It's a green foil, numbered 57 and 99. He plays for the Amarillo Hops. We have Colson Montgomery, League Elites. And a green wave chrome Number 93 of 99, that's Nick McLean, and that would be for the White Sox there, quite obviously. So a couple cards numbered out of 99 in that pack, pretty solid. Love those chrome ones. Such a fun product to open. So colorful. Agustin Ramirez, Ethan Anderson, Pablo Guerrero, Charlie Soto, Cash Mayfield, Jared Thomas, Franklin Arias, J.J. Weatherholt, there's a bigger name, pro debut card as well, Juan Baez, Cooper Pratt, Emiliano Teodo, Michael Arroyo, Jared Sundstrom, Joral Perez, Sam Antonacci. And I'll kind of come to the back again. May not matter, but Bryce Eldridge Chrome, Fenwick Trimble Chrome, Braden Taylor Chrome, Dylan Head, Cody Freeman, Andrew Painter. There's that Sam Antonacci that I already showed. And behind that we have an X-Fractor of Jonathan Long. The Chase Dollander insert here. Jonathan Long will sleeve that up. And our first auto is Ryan Waldschmidt. That's for the Visalia Rawhide. And that is numbered 159 of 199. I feel like I know that name. And Andy says, you're very high on him. Diamondbacks prospect. Take your word for it. I do know that name. I have heard that name. Apparently that might be a nice hit. Apologies that I'm not totally up to date on all of the players this year. Totally my bad. Carter Johnson. There's Travis Bazzana there. Marcelo Mayer, Eduardo Quintero, Riku Nishida, Slade Caldwell, Juan Flores, Arjun Namala, Blake Wright, Jared Cerna, Jose Fernandez, Johnny Farmello, Caden Kendall. And I'm just going to kind of like keep charging ahead here. Drafted insert of Bryce Rayner. Those look cool. I like that. Then we get a purple Caveras Tears. 111 out of 299. Looks like for the Padres there. Yeah, this product is just so colorful. So much fun. So satisfying. Ballpark promos, Samuel Basallo. We get a Blue Wave Chrome Bernard Moon, numbered 129 of 150. That looks really nice. The Daytona Tortugas. Next auto is Boston Bateman, and that's a Padres prospect. Nice auto, too. It's pretty clean. That is numbered 116 of 299. Real nice. Gonna run out of stands already. I have heard that name, Boston Bateman, as well. Ryan Campos, Chrome, Nick Morabito, Alex Clemmy, Cole Carrig, Travis Sikora, and Jack Penny. Alright, halfway through the break. Definitely been a fun one so far. So many colorful cards. Vladimir Restituyo. Great name there. Dakota Jordan. Chase Harlan. Trey Yesavage. He was an absolute beast in the playoffs. There's that Kavaris Tears guy. Cam Smith. Joshua Kuroda Grauer. James Tibbs III. Alexander Albertus. Leo DeVries. There's a bigger name too. RJ Morlando. Braylon Morrell. There's a lot of names in this. Bernard Moon. Jason Churio. Carter Matheson. Dalton Rushing. Texas League Elites there. Insert. And another Padre. Cash Mayfield. Numbered 182 of 199. It's been a Padres box. There's Bernard Moon. The Chromes are Thomas White, Brandon Sprout, Theo Guillen, Christian Moore, Yeremi Cabrera, and Chase Burns. A lot of good names in this product. Alright, we have 2 autographs to go. So much color. Can't get over how much fun this stuff is. Very affordable too compared to other stuff. Not that anything is necessarily affordable these days, but you know what I mean. George Lombard Jr. Jack Caglianone. Like him a lot. Theron Lorenzo for the Tigers. Thomas White, Brandon Sprout, Theo Guillen, Demetrio Crisantes, Billy Amick, Sebastian Walcott, Victor Rodriguez, Chase Dollander, Kyle Henley, Braden Montgomery, Zaire Hope. We have a Christian Moore drafted. And next is a Roman Anthony insert. And then for the White Sox, we have Hagen Smith. I believe that's White Sox, if I remember correctly. Chrome, numbered 81 of 125. Chrome are Demetrio Crisantes, Billy Amick, Bernard Moon, Kyle Teal, Griff O'Farrell, another great name, Christopher Familia, and then we get a Bryce Cunningham for the Yankees autograph here. Green foil, number 30 of 99. All right, last pack. Show us a Connor Griffin. Would love to see that. Lisbel Diaz, Ben Hess, Drew Beam, Eduardo Tate, Ronnie Hernandez, Matt Shaw, Jonathan Long, Kevin McGonigal, Tyson Lewis, Ryan Sloan, Rodney Green, Joendry Vargas, Cole Fontenelle, Braylon Doughty, Caleb Durbin, and we get the oh, I forget what you call this, some kind of foil. It's numbered 158 to 175. C.B.A. That is the Pensacola Blue Wahoos. That same foil is non-numbered in the flagship product. Bring up the chrome here. Ben Hess, Herrick Hernandez, Eduardo Tate, Max Clark, Carson DiMartini, and Roman Anthony. Ballpark promos of Jose De Paula. And our last auto is going to be Travis Bazana. Nice. It's going to be a base auto, our only base auto. A little bit of last pack magic there. I don't think anybody will complain about that one. Lake County Captains. I love the minor league team names. There we go. What a great break. This was a really good box. Really good box. No Connor Griffin, no base Connor Griffin or anything in here, but yet. Lots of color. Some really great autos. Obviously the Boston Bateman, Ryan Waldschmidt, and Travis Bazana are all players we've heard of course. And then there's Bryce Cunningham. I don't know that I've heard that name. We did get our X-Fractor was Jonathan Long, and then just kind of rounded out Hagen Smith, numbered to 125, Bernard Moon, numbered to 150, Nick McLean, numbered to 99, Cash Mayfield, that was numbered to 199, Jose Fernandez, numbered to 99, Jay Bashirs, that was numbered to 175, and Kavaris Tears, numbered to 299. Fun break. Appreciate everybody joining this break. It was a lot of fun. Looking forward to doing some more. I have some Sapphire baseball and some Ben Baller coming my way, and I'll post those fairly soon. But thanks everybody for joining. It was a great break, a lot of fun. We'll catch you soon.